Hi, I'm Dr. Wendi. Let's talk about hemorrhoids, because if you've got irritation, swelling, or bleeding down there, this might be why. Hemorrhoids are simply swollen veins in the rectal or anal region. Think of them as varicose veins, but in one of the most sensitive parts of the body. There are two main types: internal hemorrhoids, which form inside the rectum and may go unnoticed unless bleeding, and external hemorrhoids, which form under the skin near the opening and can be itchy, painful, or cause visible swelling. They're incredibly common. Over half of adults will have to deal with them by the time they're 50. What causes them? Straining, constipation, diarrhea, low fiber, pregnancy, prolonged sitting, and even just aging. The good news is most cases, about 75%, can be managed at home with lifestyle changes, smart hygiene, and over-the-counter treatments. That's where Norms comes in. These are medical-grade wipes, creams, and sprays developed with input from doctors, patients, and other caring people who have been treating this stuff for years. There's nothing tricky about Norms products. They're not fancy. They do the job, and they do it well. Hemorrhoids happen, but with a bit of knowledge and some proper care, you can manage the symptoms and get back to feeling normal again.